So what's up, YouTube? We are here with you today, yet another video. Yeah, I just posted a video, but this is part two to that first video. So on that first video I did spark plugs and wires, along with spark plug wires, and a throttle body. This is what we're looking like right now. Got the new wires ran, the new plugs in, they're all gapped. Got it all on this side also. Then along with that, I went ahead and got this new throttle body put on. And now I'm going to get ready and install this flex fuel kit. So you get your sensor and with your T, or your, I guess you call it the T, the fuel line. Then you get your wires. You're going to use this. You're going to tap into the fuse box with that. Then you're going to ground out this one. You're going to tap into another spot with these two, and then you're also going to tap into the sensor with this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this. I can never think of the name of these, but it's basically what you use to disconnect a fuel line. Oh, fuel disconnect. Ah, shit. But all right, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to remove this line, and then we're just going to take it back here. And so let me go ahead and get that. We'll do that right quick. You're going to slide your fuel disconnect under here. You're just going to pull up on it. Push down on the fuel line and pull up. That's the best method. That's the easiest method that I use. And so you want to, you're going to put that back there. And you want to kind of want to point this up at an angle because it's going to pour fuel out. So, and let me go ahead and grab that T. So the best thing to do is go ahead and plug this up to your sensor. Then you're going to get this. You're going to wrap this side around. This side is going to come on your sensor like that. It's going to connect to your sensor like that. Let me see where that top fell to. Ah, crap, I lost the top. And it's best to mount these like right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this fuel lock put back on. So what you do, you just slide it in. You're just gonna hook it in. So all right, so far, man, I didn't even hit record. So shoot. So far I've plugged in the sensor, plugged in the wire, I routed it under this wire harness around here. I've also switched the evap plug, so I went ahead and tapped into this evap system. All you do is pull the gray tab, and then there's a latch. You have to really push on it hard. And then once you pull that evap out of there, you're going to plug the evap into this one. And then you're going to lock it back in place, along with putting the new evap plug right here. And then you're going to run that ground through this wire harness, and you're going to ground it out to this to the valve cover top. So what you're going to do, you're going to grab a 10mm with that extension, and then just pull that out. Go ahead and slide that ground through there and feed the bolt back through, tighten it back down. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and grab this the wire with the prong. You're going to route it through here just so it'll look clean. I put it through the wrong thing. I meant to put it under this harness. Slide that mug under the harness. Right through here. And then once you do that, you're going to want to unplug the ECU, so it's going to be the one at the bottom. it's gonna be a see, I already pulled mine out already, but it's gonna be a red tab. I went ahead and pulled the tab off. I'm gonna put it back on when I finish. But you're gonna pull the red tab, push this down. That's gonna relieve the lock. Once you do that, you're gonna wanna pull from here, and you're gonna wanna pull it through here, just so you have more room. So once you do that, all right, so once you get that, then you're gonna go ahead and pop this little cover off. There's gonna be 2 tabs, and you're gonna pop them off. They're gonna be right there. You're gonna pop this little back shield off, then you're gonna flip to the front. You're gonna have this blue cover on there. It's gonna get a small flathead screwdriver. You're gonna just pry around the edges real carefully. Just take your time with that. Don't be in a rush. This is your ECU harness connector, so yeah, be careful with that. You're gonna find pin number 38. So if you look on the back, you can see some numbers. There it's gonna be number 1, and then you come over to the 3rd row. That's gonna be the brown one, 33, green one, 34. Then you got 35, 36, 37, 38. And so you're gonna pull number 38. And so let me grab my vice grips. So once you get that, you're gonna pull this little pin out. Look like some needle nose vice grips. So you're just gonna pull it out of number 38, which is right there. Then you're gonna get your new. Then you wanna grab this. You're gonna feed this under the fuse box. Bring your little connector all the way up. And I am recording this with one hand, so you're gonna have it facing the big side, facing you, or facing outwards. You're gonna go ahead and get that plugged in, and I'm gonna stop the video, but you can see the orange slot where that goes. So you're gonna leave 3 gray ones in the middle. You're gonna plug it big like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here right quick so I can get that plugged in. So once you get it in, it's gonna look like that. So now it's gonna be the one right there, that 3rd one. So you're gonna have the 1, 2, then you're gonna have the 1, 2, 3, then you're gonna have those 3 right there. So the way you're gonna see it from the front is gonna be 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Alright, so now I have it pulled all the way through, so you're gonna have it right there. So you're gonna have 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38 is right there. So you're gonna go ahead and get this blue piece put back on, and make sure you pull the connector all the way through, just so it'll lock in place. Once you get that motor popped on there, you're gonna have the blue cover on like that on this side, and then on the back side, you're just gonna go ahead and get the black shield put on there. Alright, y'all, so once you get that done, you're just gonna feed that feed this right back through that hole. I'm gonna try to get it on video this time. My hands are freaking huge. Damn. So shoot, alright, so once you get all that, you just want to plug the ECU back in. ECU harness, get that black clip put back in there if you pop it out. And then make sure everything's tucked out of the way. And boom, that's your flex field kit on the 2017 Camaro SS. I apologize that I didn't get the in-depth install, but I got it as good as I could, just because I didn't know that my phone was doing what it was doing. So, but yeah.